Hey guys, we're going to continue to talk about our math 10 frames and subitizing. So I said that your math 10 frame is a rectangle separated into two rows with 10 equal spaces, okay? And if a 10 frame is filled up, there will be 10 counters in that 10 frame. That's how we know it's a 10 frame. Okay. Subitize, surprise. All right, so the little girl asked, how many? Okay, so we are going to count these counters together, okay? So 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, okay? So we're going to take the 18, we're just going to move it over here, okay? And guess what? This is what's nice about it. After we move the number, it's going to have a check mark if it's correct or not. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, and we're also going to figure out if 18 is even or odd. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do our two songs, and I'm only going to do it once in our video. So if you need to go back, you can go back and watch this video whenever you're trying to figure out if it's even or odd, okay? You guys got to do it with me though, okay? I can't do it alone. Okay, everybody say even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Those are our even numbers. Say odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Okay, so again, if you need to, go back in the video to listen to me say the even and odd numbers if you need help. If you don't, that's great. Okay, so we know after listening to the song that 18 is an even number. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to move the cupcake right underneath the 18, okay? And then again, we have a check mark if it is correct, okay? I'm going to leave that one for you guys, okay? All right, I'm going to move down to the next one, maybe. There we go. Move down to the next one, okay? You're going to go ahead and you're going to count those counters. You're going to slide over the number if it's even, and then figure out if it's even or odd. Same thing. Counting the counters, slide over the number, and then figure out if it's even or odd, and then move the cupcake underneath the number. Again, counting the number, figuring out if it's even or odd, move the number of what it is, and then move the cupcake. You guys get the idea now, I think. And then that is our last one. So don't forget to count your counters, move the number to figure out if it's and then figure out if it's even or odd. The nice thing about these slides is they're kind of self-correcting, meaning that once you move the number, it's going to show a check mark if it's correct, and then it's going to show an X if it's wrong, okay? So that's really helpful. All right, guys, have fun with subitizing and with your 10 frames.